You've been driving your car for years, but I'm willing to bet you only know about 40% of what it can actually do. Most of us treat our cars like a couch with wheels, but engineers have hidden Easter eggs and life-saving shortcuts all over the place. Did you know that according to a recent study, the average American spends 18 full days inside their car every single year? That's a lot of time to be missing out on features you have already paid for. Today, I am showing you the 15 hidden tricks that will make you feel like you just upgraded to a luxury model for free. Let's get into it. Number 15, the Headrest Escape Tool. In a worst-case scenario where your car is submerged in water or your electronic locks fail during a fire, your exit strategy is literally right behind your head. Most people think headrests are just for comfort, but they are actually engineered as a safety tool with long, pointed metal prongs. If you pull the headrest completely out of the seat, those steel rods are the perfect weight and sharpness to shatter a side window. You don't want to hit the center of the glass though. Instead, jam one of the prongs into the bottom corner of the window where the glass is under the most tension. According to safety experts, you have about 60 seconds to exit a vehicle if it hits water, making this trick a literal lifesaver. It is one of those things you hope you never have to use, but you will be glad you know how it works. Just remember, this only works on side windows, as windshields are laminated and nearly impossible to kick out. Number 14, the Key Fob Summer Mode. On a blistering hot summer day, your car's interior can reach temperatures of over 140 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes. You don't have to climb into that oven to cool it down. Your key fob likely has a secret vent mode. If you press the unlock button once, let go, and then immediately press and hold it again, most modern cars like Toyota and Honda will automatically roll down all the windows and even open the sunroof. This allows the trapped hot air to escape before you even touch the door handle, saving your AC system a massive amount of work. This feature started appearing in high-end European luxury cars in the 90s, but has since trickled down to almost every major brand. If it doesn't work on yours, check your car's convenience settings menu on the infotainment screen, as it might be toggled off for safety. Just remember to keep an eye on the car while doing this so you don't accidentally leave it wide open in a parking lot. Number 13, the secret grocery hooks. You just finished a grocery run, and 5 minutes into the drive home, you hear the sound of apples and milk cartons rolling around in the trunk. Most people ignore the small, weirdly shaped plastic tabs located on the upper interior rim of the trunk or on the side panels. These are actually heavy-duty grocery hooks designed to hold the handles of plastic or reusable bags upright so they don't tip over during turns. In many SUVs, these hooks are hidden behind the rear seats or integrated into the cargo cover assembly. They are usually rated to hold up to 20 or 30 pounds, making them surprisingly sturdy for such a small piece of plastic. Next time you are loading up, look for those little plastic T's or hooks. They will save you from having to crawl into the back of your trunk to retrieve a runaway orange. Number 12, AI-based adaptive driving modes. Modern vehicles don't just switch between eco, sport, and comfort anymore. They actually learn you. Advanced systems analyze your throttle input, braking habits, steering patterns, and even the terrain you frequently drive on. But most drivers never give the system enough consistency to work properly. To use this feature like a pro, start by selecting one mode, preferably normal or adaptive, and stick with it for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Drive smoothly, avoid sudden acceleration, and maintain steady braking patterns so the system can learn your behavior accurately. The car's ECU will begin adjusting throttle response, transmission shifts, and even suspension stiffness based on your style. Here is the key trick professionals use. Avoid constantly switching between eco and sport modes because it resets the learning pattern. Over time, you will notice smoother gear shifts and better fuel efficiency without doing anything extra. This system can reduce engine strain by up to 20%, but only if you let it learn properly. Consistency is what unlocks its real power. Number 11, the Brake Auto Hold System. Stop-and-go traffic is one of the primary contributors to driver fatigue and micro-stresses on the vehicle's braking hardware. Many drivers notice the button labeled Auto Hold or Brake Hold near the electronic parking brake, but hesitate to use it because they don't understand the underlying logic. When activated, this system utilizes the ABS hydraulic modulator to maintain brake pressure after the vehicle comes to a complete halt, allowing the driver to remove their foot from the pedal entirely. Statistically, this reduces the physical strain on the driver's right leg by over 40% during heavy urban commutes, while simultaneously preventing the vehicle from creeping forward into potential low-speed collisions, ensuring a seamless transition from a dead stop to motion. Integrating this into your driving routine transforms the experience of heavy traffic from a chore into a controlled, effortless operation. Number 9. The invisible lungs. Does your car have a weird, musty smell that just won't go away, no matter how many new car-scented trees you hang up? The secret is likely hidden behind your glove box in the form of a cabin air filter. Most people don't realize their car has one, but it is responsible for filtering out dust, pollen, and smog before it hits your lungs. Over time, these get clogged with leaves, bugs, and mold, which restricts your AC airflow and makes your car smell like a damp basement. Most mechanics will charge you $50 to $100 to change this, but in 90% of cars, you can do it yourself in 2 minutes without any tools. Simply pinch the sides of your glove box to drop it down, slide out the old filter, and pop in a fresh one. Swapping this out once a year will keep your air crisp and your passengers' noses happy. Number 8. The Auto Stop-Start System. The automatic stop-start system is perhaps the most misunderstood piece of modern engineering, often criticized by enthusiasts who fear premature wear on the starter motor and battery. However, from a technical perspective, these systems are equipped with reinforced starter motors capable of handling over 250,000 cycles. That is a massive increase from the 30,000 cycle limit of traditional units. Furthermore, the system is backed by absorbent glass mat batteries and advanced intelligent battery sensors that monitor the state of charge in real time to ensure the engine only shuts off when the electrical load is sustainable. To master this system without pressing the off button, you can use the brake pressure modulation trick. A light press on the brake pedal at a stop will often hold the car in place without triggering the engine shutdown, while a firm, deep press signals the ECU to engage the fuel cut protocol. This allows the driver to manually dictate when the system activates based on the anticipated duration of the stop.
Number 7. The dead fob emergency key. Modern push-to-start cars are amazing until the battery in your key fob dies and you find yourself locked out and unable to start the engine. Don't call a tow truck just yet. There is a physical key hidden inside your high-tech fob. Usually, there is a tiny silver button or a slide tab on the back of the fob that, when pressed, allows a standard metal key to slide right out of the bottom. Look closely at your driver's side door handle. There is often a small plastic cap covering a hidden lock cylinder that you can pop off with the key itself. Once you are inside, even if the fob is totally dead, you can usually start the car by pressing the start button with the fob itself instead of your finger. This works because of a passive RFID chip inside the fob that doesn't require battery power to communicate with the car at a very short distance. This technology is similar to how tap-to-pay credit cards work, proving that your car is a lot smarter than it looks. Number 6. Predictive collision avoidance with steering assist. This feature is designed to act faster than human reflexes, but only if you understand how to work with it. First, ensure the system is turned on in your vehicle's safety settings. It is often disabled or set to low sensitivity by default. While driving, always keep your hands lightly on the steering wheel because the system requires driver input to assist steering corrections. To use it effectively, maintain a safe following distance so the sensors can properly calculate potential collisions. If the system detects danger, don't fight the steering. Allow it to guide the car while you stay in control. Pro drivers never rely on it blindly. Instead, they treat it as a backup layer of protection. A powerful tip is to test it in controlled conditions, like empty roads, to understand how it reacts. Studies show it can reduce severe crashes by 30%,
but only when the driver cooperates with the system. Number 5. 360-degree surround view with intelligent motion detection. This feature is your ultimate tool for avoiding expensive parking damage, but only if you use it correctly. When parking, activate the 360-degree camera view and move the car slowly to allow the system to process surroundings accurately. Watch for highlighted areas or alerts indicating nearby obstacles or moving objects. The pro technique is to combine the camera view with mirror checks instead of relying on one alone. Use the zoom and angle options to focus on tight corners or curbs. In crowded areas, pause for a second to let the system detect moving objects like pedestrians or bikes. Never rush parking. This system works best at low speeds. It can prevent up to 40% of minor accidents, but only when used patiently. For larger vehicles like SUVs, this feature becomes essential for eliminating blind spots. Mastering it means you will park with precision every time, even in the tightest spaces. Number 4. Self-parking from outside the car. This is one of the most futuristic features, but also one that requires careful handling. Advanced vehicles allow you to park or exit tight spaces using your key fob or smartphone app. The car controls steering, acceleration, and braking while you stand outside. To use it, first, ensure your car is aligned properly with the parking space before exiting. Activate the remote parking feature using your key fob or smartphone app. Hold the control button continuously while the car moves. Releasing it will stop the vehicle instantly. Always keep your eyes on the car and surroundings while it's moving. Pro drivers use this feature in extremely tight spaces where opening doors is risky. Move the car slowly and avoid using it on uneven or unpredictable surfaces. This feature is perfect for avoiding scratches and dents, which are among the most common repair costs. Number 3. Heads-up display with augmented reality navigation. This feature projects critical driving information directly onto your windshield: speed, navigation, warnings, and even hazard alerts. Advanced systems integrate with GPS and safety sensors to warn you about sharp turns, speed limits, and potential dangers ahead. To use it, first adjust the display position so it aligns perfectly with your line of sight. Next, customize the information shown. When using navigation, follow the projected arrows directly on the road view instead of looking down at the screen. Pro drivers rely on this to reduce distraction and improve reaction time. A key tip is to lower brightness at night to avoid glare and increase it during the day for visibility. Studies show this feature can improve reaction time by up to 0.5 seconds, which can be critical in emergencies. Number 1. Rear wiper nozzle adjustment. Here is a simple but powerful trick that even many experienced drivers overlook. If your rear windshield washer spray is misaligned, either shooting too low, too high, or missing the glass completely, you don't need to visit a mechanic or replace anything. The nozzle itself is adjustable. To fix it like a pro, take a thin sewing needle or pin and gently insert it into the nozzle opening. Then carefully move it in the direction you want the spray to go. Always make very small adjustments and test the spray after each movement to avoid overcorrecting. This 30-second fix can save you a mechanic visit, improve visibility instantly, and make your car feel properly maintained. Now you see the difference. These features are not just advanced, they are powerful tools that can transform your driving completely. But only if you know how to use them properly.